Hello friends, welcome back to OK Java and welcome to the Certified Scrum Master Practice Test 5. So let's begin. Question 1. The Scrum approach to documentation is, I think it's very easy question. As you guys know that Scrum focus very less on the documentation, right? So do not documentation because it is a waste of time. This is not true. Do the necessary documentation to support the development and use of the product. Yeah, seems correct. Do sufficient documentation to prove you have done a good job. No. Do more documentation than usual because agile is risky. So the correct answer is this one, option B. Do the necessary documentation, the development and use of the product. Question 2. In Scrum projects, we plan to learn as we go because it creates a better relationship between the developers and the customer representatives. Option B. Many projects are evolutionary and a better solution emerges this way. Option C. It is time consuming to analyze everything at the beginning of a project. It prevents late delivery of the project. So as you can see here, the correct answer is by end of each sprint or by end of each project, you get to know more about the problems, right? So many projects are evolutionary and a better solution emerges this way. Question 3. Which of these best describes the Scrum approach to team working? Option A. The team should plan to work a small amount of overtime regularly throughout the project. No. The team should expect to work longer hours towards the end of the sprint in order to deliver all that was committed to. Option C. The team should strive for a sustainable pace and a normal working week. Yeah, this is better answer. The team will burn out if they have to work overtime for more than 2 sprints in a row. Question 4. One of the development stages you would expect to see a team go through is storming. So it's like brainstorming. Warming, cloning, and yawning won't be there. So we are talking about brainstorming sessions. Okay. Question 5. What is meant by Kanban? Option A list of activities banned by the team in relation to team norms. So don't be confused with the keyword ban here and then banned here. It's no way related, okay? Option B, the set of can have stories for a project. Option C, a visible chart of work to do, work in progress and work done. So option C is the correct answer. So Kanban is a visual or a graphics board or a kind of chart. Question 6. Which of the following choices is a key reason to adopt an agile process like Scrum? Option A, to be up to date on the latest process. Okay, let's read out rest of the options. Option B, to shake things up in the organization. Option C, to hold programmers and tests accountable for their work. Option D, to be better able to respond to change. So that is what Agile is for. To be better able to respond to a change. Question 7. During a sprint, the developers should be Option A, in twice daily contact with the product owner. It is not necessary. Option B, completely be uninterrupted by the product owner. Again, not true. Option C, able to contact the product owner to clarify aspects of the work. Yeah. Option D, able to work without needing to disturb the product owner. No, like in case if you think you have got some doubt and you want some clarification, you can always reach out to the product owner. Okay. Question 8, a Scrum team is self-organizing with each member having the same technical skills. So this last component is not true. Collaborates and supports its team members. Ensures that weak members of the team are allocated the simpler tasks. No. Ensure blame is allocated fairly. So the option B is the correct answer. A Scrum team collaborates and supports its team members. Question 9. The primary purpose of the daily Scrum or daily stand-up is to give a status report to the Scrum Master. Option B, to give a status report to the product owner. Option C, to share as a team what each member is working on and uncover obstacles standing in the way of completing the work. Yeah, so this is the right answer. Option D is to give team members a chance to take a break from their tasks. No, so the option C is the right answer. Question 10. What is the Scrum approach to doing design early in a project? Option A big design up front is always a good idea. Option B, just enough design upfront, doing a good foundation to start from and helps to mitigate risk without wasting unnecessarily time. Option C, no design upfront in the best approach, as most of the fun of a project is in discovery of the unexpected, not at all. Option 2, design has no place in the agile project, again wrong. This is not true. So just enough design upfront gives a good foundation to start from and helps to mitigate risk without wasting unnecessarily time. All right. So let's submit the answers. Okay, so you can see the result here. We have answered all the questions correctly. So here we are done with the test 5. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe for more videos.